Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video, I'm going to give a complete review about Everyuth Naturals Advanced Golden Glow Peel Off Mask with 24 karat gold. 24 karat gold, it seems to be a bit weird, but still it is a golden glow peel off mask. Okay, this is from the brand Everyuth Naturals. This is the 30 grams pack of the peel off mask. It prices around 55 rupees, but I bought it for 50 rupees. This is easily available in the Indian market. Anyways, I will provide you the link below. If you want, you can go check it. So this is the product states that within 15 minutes it gives you the radiant, the glow. What you'll have to do is apply the mask on your skin, that is your face, leave it for 15 minutes, and then you're ready to go. You can actually peel it off. This is a peel off mask, and the main ingredient here is orange. Orange is a rich source of vitamin C, which helps in boosting your skin collagen and giving you a good nice glow to your skin. The package, the behind the package, they have given the directions for use and what the product does. Those things are given, and they have mentioned that it is suitable for all skin types, but the product on application, it leaves a bit of tingling effect, which is actually a normal thing. I have extraordinary dry skin, so the product, it does not cause any irritation or any patches or nothing. It does nothing of that kind, but a mild tingling sensation it is found because it is orange. It is a rich source of vitamin C, because and all vitamin C products are they're a bit strong, and yes, it does do the job really well. And on application, you should you should apply an even layer of the product. Only then it will be easy for you to peel it off. Okay, so, and in some of the videos I found in YouTube, I found that some channel, they have mentioned that this product actually removes any of your facial hairs, like upper lip and facial hairs. But I personally found that it does nothing of that kind. It does not even remove the very minute hair particles. No, it does not do that. But of course, it reduces any dullness in your face, and it promotes a good glow. It also peels off any dead skin cells, the upper layer dead skin cells. It also peels it off. So in that, this product is actually a very good product. So now I'll show you the consistency. It has a screw open lid type. Ouch. Okay, so I've almost used it. You could see the orange color peel off mask, the liquid. What you'll have to do is apply it evenly on your skin and leave it for 15 minutes, and you'll have to just chill it for 15 minutes, and that is all you will have to do this on a clean face for more benefits. Okay, because if you have oily skin, that is if you're going out and coming, please wash your face and then do this, because you cannot apply the product directly on your skin. You can do so, but it does not give the maximum benefit which you desire. Okay, you can use this if you don't have time, or if you have skipped your parlor. Of course, this peel off mask, you can use it just before, when you're attending a party or a wedding. It gives your skin a natural glow. It does not brighten your skin, it just gives a natural glow to your skin, which will be an added advantage if you do the makeup. Okay, it just it promotes, it lifts your look. That is what the product does, and nothing more than that. So on leaving the product for 15 minutes, you can just peel it off. I'll show you within 15 minutes. Okay, so now it is partially dried. It's been about 7 minutes, and it has been dried partially. Please wait until 15 minutes or more than that, because when you have applied a thick layer, it takes time to dry. It takes time to get dried up, and you can actually remove it completely, and you can just actually top it up with your moisturizer, or you can just wash it away. You can remove the mask, you can wash your face, and then top it up with a moisturizer. Okay, so just what I wanted to say here is, you need to wait for just 15 minutes at least. Okay, since I cannot wait, I'm just waiting for the product in my hand to dry. That's why in between I just came to speak in the middle of the video. And I forgot to mention about the fragrance. It has a mild fragrance, not so mild, and also not so strong. Okay, it has a gentle fragrance which is actually tolerable, and it is not so sensitive. Even the sensitive skin types can actually use it. And I would say that if you have active acne, please don't use any peel off mask or any scrub during your acne period, because it only makes your acne worse. Okay, instead just follow your CTM routine, and you know, add an additional pimple cream to your routine when you have your acne. Please don't use any peel off mask and scrub. Okay, so now it's been 15 minutes and I'll show you how it comes off easily. Could you see that? Oh, okay. Yes, I have removed it. So this is how it comes out. Okay, could you see any difference? Actually no, is it? But on face it actually gives it a leaves a good reflection of your own skin. Okay, since this is not a sponsored video, you could make sense that whatever I say is out of my personal experience, and especially on my skin. Okay, on particularly my skin type, I'm just giving this review. What I want to convey here is the product is a good product. It gives an instant glow to your skin and nothing else more than that. So this is what the product actually claims to do, and it does it. And nothing of brightening your skin or removing your facial hairs. It does nothing of that kind. Okay, so it gives a naturally glowing skin to your already existing skin. So this is what the product does. Okay, so I think I have covered everything I know about this video, and we'll all meet in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Only then you will receive the notifications of my video whenever I post it. If you like the video, give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any doubts, you can comment it down, or as I always say, go to Instagram. You can chat with me personally, and I would feel happy to reply you. And if you have any product queries, or if you want me to review any other product, for sure you can comment that also. I'll feel happy to review the same. We'll all meet in the next video. Bye.